As we continue our coverage tonight, tracking Laura, here's a sobering number. Nearly 8 million Texans are under a hurricane or tropical storm warning right now. That's from Brazoria and Fort Bend counties all the way over to the Louisiana state line.
Frank is joining us now. We are waiting for that latest update on Hurricane Laura. Any word yet, Frank?
No, you know, it's due at 7. It usually comes out earlier than that, and I'll just treat it as breaking news when it comes out, and I'll let our producers know. So, but and it's going to be interesting whether we get more of a shift a little bit from the west-northwest to the northwest. I don't think we're going to get north, but a northwest shift would be good for us, not great.
Well, that's your suspicion.
That's my suspicion, that it will turn a little bit, because I'm going to show you the way it's been going. And usually the way it's, you know, unless something dramatic happens to turn it off to the west, but we shall see, right? Okay, in the meantime, take a look outside. It's beautiful. Look at this sky. That's our beautiful downtown shot. High temperatures made it to 98 this afternoon. It was a hot temperature, 96, 95 in Galveston. Not quite the records, except 98 at Hobby, you know, all said and done, fairly close. A warm day, 94 right now. Northeast winds at 16 in Galveston. We've had a fairly quiet sky, 92 with northeast winds at 15. In fact, you can see that because of Marco here, what's left of Marco, that's why we've seen that bit of a northeast jog at the surface. So a little bit of a northeast wind. So here's the official track. Category 1 right now, 80-mile-an-hour winds gusting to 100. West-northwest at 17. There's the position. Now this really was about 3:30, so it's a bit old. We'll get the new one at 7. But notice the track sort of takes off to the west there. And I'm not sure that it's not going to be a little more northwest once it's all said and done. But I don't work for the National Hurricane Center, so we'll see what they say. Category 2 at 1 in the morning tonight. Category 2, 110-mile-an-hour winds on Wednesday afternoon. Category 3, 115-mile-an-hour winds at landfall in the Sabine Pass area, which is a big jump from a 1 to a 3, as you're going to see, but staying a 1 all the way to Shreveport and continuing on to the north, and then it moves on through Arkansas and the mid-Atlantic states, even as a low pressure system off through maybe parts of New Jersey. So a lot to watch over the next few days. Now, this is why I say it's problematic. Look at that, 75-mile-an-hour winds. That's our baseline. If you get to 115, that's 30 times the potential damage. The damage increases exponentially with wind. So 75 versus 115 mathematically doesn't sound like it's that much more, but it's 30 times the damage. If you get to 125, then it's 60 times the damage potential. So it really ramps up, kind of like an earthquake from a 5 to a 6 to a 6 to a 7. It just really is exponential. Same idea. So the American Futurecast winds here. Notice this purple Cat 4 actually shows up. This is so that's a possibility that it ramps up to a 4 and then comes in as a 3. Here's Lake Charles. That's Cat 3 winds there. We could see some strong northerly winds in the Galveston Bay. That can always drive water into Galveston's drainage system and send water back up into the streets of Galveston. That happened with Harvey, and that happened with Ike. So that's not out of the question if this path verifies. And it continues to move along. So we have watches and warnings for the storm surge, 6 to 9 feet Bolivar past High Island, 3 to 5 feet storm surge for the island and the Bay areas, because that water, once it gets through the channel and goes into the concave areas of Galveston Bay, has nowhere to go but up. So watch that, 2 to 4 down toward Surfside. And then there's the rainfall. The dirty side of the storm would be the heavier rain side, where we're looking at 10, maybe 12 inches of rain. I think 6 to 8 will be fairly common where this comes on shore. So speaking of where this comes on shore, I've been showing this afternoon. High pressure's back out here over Florida. That's been directing it. So how strong does that high get? And this upper low over Texas has helped protect us so far. So if you just look at the water vapor, and this is the visible satellite, which you only get when the sun is up. So I'm about to lose this. That's why it starts to fade out here. I'm going to go in a little closer and put an arrow. And if you just follow the eye, the center of this storm, there it is. That's what we've been seeing. There's the eye following along that line. And that is much more of a northwest flow and direction, which takes it into maybe central Louisiana. And if you follow the arrow all the way up, I always say lows follow lows. This is what's left of Marco. You see that little spin right, starts right here, that little spin right there, that's Marco. So that's low pressure right there. It's also helped produce some showers and thunderstorms over Mississippi and Alabama. So that's low, that's rising air. So lower pressures are from Louisiana back out toward Alabama, which tells me that high isn't building building as strongly as originally thought. So the American model has already shifted a little bit into Louisiana. So this is the newest American model, and it puts the system going in more toward Lake Charles as opposed to Sabine Pass. So you can see that right there. So it's already, I think, picking up on that. That's why I say it's going to be really interesting to get this new forecast from the National Hurricane Center. This is the older European, which still had that system going in between, let's say, Chambers County and Sabine Pass. And this is our latest RPM, but it's about an hour old. I'd like to see, we hit it every 3 hours, and I'd like to see a new one pretty soon. So that puts it into, again, Port Arthur, 3 in the morning. So away from here, but that's not making that big shift yet. So we'll just have to see if it follows suit. But right now, the Euro, the RPM, and the U.S. models are all pretty much right there into Jefferson County. What's interesting is the official track for now, from 4 o'clock, puts a 3 off to the east. So even given those models, the Hurricane Center is a little east of that, and we'll see if it continues that way, hopefully in about the next 30 minutes. In the meantime, you can see outer rain bands for our west counties. On Thursday, some wraparound rain. The western counties, you're really out of this. I think for Houston, most of us are in pretty good shape. It doesn't look like this is going to be a direct hit into the Galveston, Houston area, but some rain and 40-mile-an-hour winds. And then as we go east, and especially to the coast, that's when we get maybe 40 to even 90-mile-an-hour hurricane force winds. And that continues down the coast with 20 to 40 on Wednesday afternoon. But then we get 50 to 100 as we head into Wednesday night before it clears on Thursday morning. So the window of opportunity for all of this is from Wednesday afternoon about 3 until Thursday 3 in the morning. So that's the 12 hours, maybe a little longer if you're up to the north around Lake Livingston. So power planner right through the 80s to the 70s. Here's a look at the full forecast. Hard to forecast when a hurricane's out there, but chances of rain certainly Wednesday, Thursday, and then into the weekend, 30-60% chances Saturday and Sunday. So really some umbrella weather and warm weather all the way through.
All right.
I'm waiting for that track.
We know, as are we.
Yep. Thank you, Frank.